Okay, good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation
Yes.
for primary two, and here we have a homework for the
Yeah.
next week. We will start the evaluation from the homework science first.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, can you answer this one, Miss? Please answer this one.
Okay. The sharp and pointed part is. Can I skip? An
Okay.
artificial body part used is number 4, prosthetic. Living things make a new life. Reproduce.
Yeah.
Long curved teeth of animal. It is third
Task.
task. Living things make a new. This is 3. So the sharp and pointed part is spine.
Okay. Next, part C.
This
Yeah.
a study of geologist,
Logis. Okay.
geologist. Do I need to read it all
If
on the
actually
answer?
no need to write, no need to write. Just mention the answer.
Oh yeah, okay.
The marker will be used if you want to write, calculate something or count something later in
Oh,
math
okay,
or
sir.
mathematics.
Yes. A geologist studies animals and their habitats. Some poachers like to hunt extinction animals like rhinos, elephants, and pangolins. Rhinos are killed for their valuable horns.
Yeah.
This is hunting animals without permission is considered illegally. This is poach. Sorry, this is geologist. This is a geologist. This is scientist. The scientists use scientific methods to study the natural
Yeah.
world.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is about find the word. Okay, we can skip this one. Now we move to math. Okay, please answer this one first, miss.
To look to look different and similarities that is compare. To make a number smaller is round down. To make a number larger is round up. Things that can be counted or listed is items.
Okay. Part C.
Okay. Dia has 10 marbles in the small circle. Tio has 27 marbles in the big circle. Tio marbles are more than Nia. Num-
Theo has 27. Nia has 10 marbles. So Theo are more than Nia. Okay, correct. Number two.
Jane show her number card 48. She will arrange the three numbers in order, beginning from her biggest number card shown before. That is uh, 48, 47. This is 47, 46, 45.
Okay, Jane shows her number card 48. She will arrange the three numbers in order beginning from her biggest number card shown before. So what is this? Oh yeah, okay. So what is your answer before, miss?
47. This is from the biggest end. 47, 46, 45.
5. Okay. Question number 5.
This is
Yeah, question number 5.
Samantha.
Yeah.
Samantha has 27 sticker. When she rounds the number of stickers to the nearest, how many stickers does she have? 30.
30, okay.
Yeah.
Part B.
Jack has 51 marbles. When he rounds the numbers of marbles to the nearest 10, how many marbles does he have? To the nearest is 50.
50, okay, correct. Now this is about finding the word. Okay, please answer this one, miss.
Right.
Yeah, here it is.
48 rounded to the nearest is 50. 57 rounded to the nearest 10 is 60. Here is 50.
Yeah.
Here is 60. 45 rounded to the nearest 10 is rounded to the nearest 10 is 40.
Oh, it's not 40, it's 50 actually.
It is 50.
Yeah, it's 50. When the number exactly, when the ones exactly 5 or bigger than 5, you have to round
Oh,
up.
round up, yeah. Okay, okay. 43 rounded to the nearest is 40. Here is 40.
40, okay, correct. Now we move to Matematika. Oke, jadi untuk pembelajaran minggu depan sudah mulai menggunakan buku Expose ya, Miss? Ya?
Expose juga ya.
Oke. Oke, bisa dijawab dari bagian B dulu, Miss.
Bagian B. Bilangan 52 dilapatkan dengan 52. Bilangan 36 dibaca 36. Urutan dari bilangan 43, 44, 45. Urutan
Ini bagaimana maksudnya ya? Urutan dari bilangan 43.
sepertinya itu juga jawabannya.
Bagaimana?
Jawabannya is the same. 43, 45, 40. Urutannya from the smallest to the
Ya,
from the smallest
ini
to the
harusnya
biggest.
berarti dilanjutkan angkanya. Angka setelah 45.
Oh. 46, 47.
Oke. Lanjut
Okay.
nomor 4.
39, 40. Here, field 41.
Nomor 5.
Bilangan 48 dapat diuraikan menjadi 48.
Rasanya ini jawabannya kurang tepat, Miss. Ini kita
Oh, diuraikan.
soalnya
Oh,
diminta
dekomposisi ya. Oke,
Iya.
siap. Oh, menjadi 40 plus 8.
Oke. Jadi kita menguraikan atau memecahnya berdasarkan nilai tempatnya.
Oke, yes, sir. Here,
Iya, oke. Bagian C tidak usah lagi. Sekarang kita, now we move to the book. So I will open the Mathematica book first. Okay, maybe we can start to to do the map book first.
yes.
Okay. This one. Could you answer this one?
The value I have between 80 and 90 crayons. The value of my one's digit is less than the value of.
So you need to guess the number for what is the number inside each box actually. Just like this one, I have between 10 and 20 crayons. So it can be from 11
or 12.
until, yeah, until 19.
Oh,
You have each is one, right?
we have just until.
Okay, wait first. I want to see this one first. So for math, you will teach 26 until 20.
3.
Okay, oh yeah, 26 until 23. We just opened that page.
Yeah.
26. Okay, please answer question number 2, miss.
The points Ray, John, and Scott in the game are shown below. Ray, okay. Arnold joins the game. She scored more than Wayne, but less than. She scored more than Wayne, but less than John. What can Arnold score be? She scored more than Wayne, but less than John. It can be 55. This is not in. If it is less than from me, it can be 55. Yeah, it is still guessing, right?
Yeah.
56
Until?
until less than John. Less than it can be until 61.
Okay, so the score will be from 55 until 61. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's correct. Now we move to expose. So untuk expose ini pelajarannya masih tentang bilangan cacah.
Okay.
Oke, di sini ada materi salah satu subunit yang membahas tentang membandingkan dua buah bilangan. Jadi bisa dijelaskan kepada Miss, bisa menjelaskan bagaimana cara membandingkan dua buah bilangan? Konsep membandingkan dua buah bilangan itu cara
konsep
menjelaskannya ke siswa ya.
Membandingkan dua buah bilangan, misalnya bilangan 24 ke 30. 24 dan 30. 30 lebih besar daripada 24. Karena itu dijelaskan, Sa.
Iya, itu yang perlu dijelaskan sebenarnya. Bagaimana cara Miss menjelaskan kepada siswa 24 lebih kecil dari 30 dan 30 lebih besar daripada 24.
Oke. Kita pertama bisa mengelompokkan dari puluhannya, misalnya 24 dan 30. Dua kita urutkan ke this ya. 24 dan 30. Kalau puluhan ya, di antara puluhan 2 dan 3, 2 lebih kecil daripada 3. Jadi jelas bahwa 24 lebih kecil daripada 30.
Oke. Secara konsep artinya untuk mengurutkan atau membandingkan suatu bilangan kita perlu melihat dari nilai tempat terbesarnya terlebih dahulu.
Iya betul.
Jadi lihat puluhannya, jika puluhannya sama, kemudian kita pindah untuk melihat nilai satuannya.
Oke.
Okay, I think that is from the book. We can move to summary point now. Okay, please explain this one. This is the summary point of English actually. What is the explanation about this summary point?
Okay. I explain?
Yeah.
Oh, we can make a negative sentence. We use doesn't or doesn't before the verb. For example, she doesn't like broccoli. So, by using this, firstly that we must make a differentiation. So it means when we use do and does, it is for sure by the place of subject. The subject see, he, it must be followed by auxiliary verb thus. And the subject I, you, they, we, it must be followed with auxiliary verb do. So if here we use she doesn't like, not she do not like, because that is the formula for the auxiliary verb. Yeah, she doesn't like a broccoli. Yeah, we can make the number 3. We can make a yes no question. We use does before the subject and the verb. Example, does he like ice cream? Yeah, when you this is for the subject of she, he, it. You use does, but for the auxiliary verb do for the subject are you Dewi, you can use the do you like ice cream? That's the question.
Okay, so for point 4 and for point 3, how to make the question by using word does. How to the point here is about we can make a yes or no question. We use does before the subject and the verb. Could you explain this one? And how to answer this one actually?
Okay, this is how to answer this. For example, does he like ice cream? The answer is it must be yes, he, yes, yes, he like, or yes, he does.
Yeah, yes, he does.
Okay.
Okay, we move to math. Okay, please explain this point, Miss. For yeah, this is from 4th until 8th August. Okay, what is this point about?
What is the point?
What is this point about? Please explain this one.
We can round numbers to the nearest 10. Yes, we can round the numbers to the nearest 10. For example, that is 25. We we round it to the nearest is 30. Okay. Number 2, to round a number, we find the 10 it is closest to. If a number is in the middle. And number 3, if a number is in the middle, we round down to the lower 10. Yes. If the in number, for example, here, if a number is 24, we round them to the lower 10. It means that we round it to 20 because this is the nearer to 20.
Okay. I think we can move to vocabulary list now. Now we move to vocabulary list. Since some of the subjects doesn't have vocabulary list here, just like Mathematica, science, computer. So we start from math. So we have here compare. No, we have halfway. Please explain what is it? What is it halfway?
Half
Please move the tablet first, miss.
this
Yeah, just move the tablet. Okay, halfway.
halfway is the point between the point between two places.
Next, you have here explanation in spoken, right? Additional explanation.
What is?
Beside the graded definition, actually you have to explain about additional explanation. There is additional explanation here. What does it mean halfway?
Halfway for example, halfway is for example that in halfway there is we make a point that we want to meet up in this place. So there is will be a point that between two places that need to meet.
Okay, round down.
Round down is to make the number smaller.
Next, what is the additional explanation?
There's for example that we round down the number 24 to the nearest of 10. We round down become 20.
Okay, round up.
Round up is to make a number larger. For example, that uh, 55, we round up to 60.
Okay, nearer.
Nearer is to make closest to something or to someone. For example, that my home is nearer to school than to terminal.
Okay, I see. Okay, miss, I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you,
Yeah.
miss.
Yes, sir.